Cryptonauts, welcome to a comprehensive exploration of the current landscape surrounding Bitcoin exchange-traded funds or ETFs. The unfolding narrative is nothing short of captivating, with a surge of optimism permeating the cryptocurrency market. The prevailing assumption, shared by industry insiders and analysts alike, is that the approval of most Bitcoin ETFs is on the horizon, expected to materialize by the close of this year. In this presentation, we delve into the factors contributing to this sentiment, the key players shaping the narrative, and the broader implications for the cryptocurrency market. Now, let's talk about the foundation of optimism: spot Bitcoin ETF approval. At the heart of this burgeoning optimism is the prospect of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval. This development is not merely a speculative notion. It carries substantial weight, as major industry players such as Invesco, Salesforce, BlackRock, and Fidelity actively engage with regulatory processes, signaling a collective push for the widespread adoption of Bitcoin ETFs. SEC Chair Gary Gensler's recent public comments have become a focal point of discussions as they hint at a potential shift in the regulatory landscape. Gensler's acknowledgement of the transformative impact, adding a staggering $1 trillion to the cryptocurrency market cap, underscores the significance of spot Bitcoin ETF approvals. The ramifications extend beyond mere speculation. They have tangible consequences for market participants, investors, and the broader financial ecosystem. Turning tides, court rulings, and regulatory pressure. A pivotal factor influencing the prevailing optimism is a recent court ruling that dealt a blow to the SEC in a case involving Grayscale. The court's decision questioned the SEC's dichotomy between futures ETFs and cash ETFs, compelling a re-evaluation of regulatory policies. The judge's unequivocal rebuke has put the SEC on the defensive, prompting a reassessment of its approach and potentially paving the way for a more favorable stance. Mike Novogratz, a prominent figure in the cryptocurrency space and a partner with Invesco, sheds light on the evolving dynamics of the approval process. Novogratz contends that the SEC's court loss against Grayscale marked a turning point. Suggesting that the regulatory body is under increasing pressure to adopt a more rational approach. The public's demand for cryptocurrency integration, coupled with endorsements from major financial institutions like BlackRock, adds to the momentum behind the push for Bitcoin ETF approvals. Next, we move on to constructive dialogues, shifting interactions with the SEC. Cathie Wood, another influential figure and the head of ARK Invest, provides insights with a changing dialogue between industry participants and the SEC. Wood highlights the constructive nature of recent interactions, citing specific and detailed discussions during the comment period. This shift in discourse, observed through public filings and online comments, suggests a more focused and informed approach by stakeholders, which is perceived as a positive sign for potential approvals. As the narrative unfolds, it becomes apparent that the SEC's decision not to appeal the Grayscale court loss has created a ripple effect, prompting renewed optimism among applicants. Cathie Wood acknowledges the change in the SEC's behavior, noting that the agency's decision to ask questions indicates a shift in approach. This change in behavior has fueled hopes that the SEC may be inclined to approve one or more Bitcoin ETFs. And then we move on to regulatory insights and Gary Gensler's perspective. In a recent update, Gary Gensler reaffirms the ongoing evaluation of multiple filings for Bitcoin exchange-traded products. While refraining from prejudging any specific application, Gensler acknowledges the substantial number of filings under consideration. This signals a robust regulatory review process that could pave the way for the approval of a variety of Bitcoin ETFs. The optimism surrounding Bitcoin ETF approvals is not confined to a singular perspective. Various industry experts, including Cathie Wood, express a belief that the SEC might be compelled to approve spot Bitcoin ETFs. Wood points out that the court will issue a mandate directing how to enforce the decision, reinforcing the prevailing assumption that most Bitcoin ETFs could receive approval by the end of the year or early next year. We move on to the broader implications and the future landscape. The landscape for Bitcoin ETFs is undergoing a transformative phase, driven by regulatory developments, court decisions, and changing dialogues between stakeholders and the SEC. The convergence of these factors has created an atmosphere of cautious optimism within the cryptocurrency community. As major financial institutions throw their weight behind the push for Bitcoin ETFs and the SEC reevaluates its stance, the coming months could witness a pivotal moment in the integration of cryptocurrencies into traditional financial markets. While the specific outcomes remain uncertain, the evolving narrative suggests a growing momentum towards regulatory acceptance of Bitcoin ETFs. Market participants, investors, and enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting further developments with the hope that the end of the year will bring about a new era for cryptocurrency adoption within mainstream finance. As this story continues to unfold, it underscores the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market and the ongoing efforts to bridge the gap between traditional regulatory frameworks and the evolving digital asset landscape. Next up, and lastly, beyond Bitcoin, altcoin developments. In the midst of this Bitcoin-centric discourse, it's crucial to stay attuned to broader developments within the cryptocurrency space. One noteworthy event is a proposal by Polygon for a decentralized governance council. Comprising 13 members, including officials from Coinbase and the Ethereum Foundation, this council aims to bring leaders from various cryptospheres into the Polygon ecosystem. Prominent names on the council such as crypto on-chain sleuth Zach XBT and Ethereum enthusiast Anthony Sano highlight a diverse representation within the proposed governance structure. The council's responsibilities include overseeing narrow, time-lock limited changes to smart contracts implemented on Ethereum for existing and future Polygon protocols. This forward-looking initiative signifies a collaborative effort to ensure the seamless integration of Polygon into the broader cryptocurrency landscape. As we navigate through the intricate web of developments in both Bitcoin and altcoins, it becomes evident that the cryptocurrency market is evolving rapidly. The interplay of regulatory dynamics, institutional endorsements, and technological advancements set the stage for a transformative period. And once again, thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of cryptocurrencies here at the Cryptoholics Corner. We hope you've gained valuable insights and knowledge that will empower you in your crypto endeavors. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest trends, news, and tips. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep prospering in the fascinating realm of cryptocurrencies.